Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to collaborate across teams in Monday.com, your complete 2025 guide. To kick things off, we're going to show you how to create a new board. Simply navigate to the left sidebar and click on New, then Board. This is where you'll organize all your team's tasks and projects. The importance of having a dedicated board is that it centralizes all your team's activities, making collaboration smoother and more efficient. Next up, let's talk about assigning tasks. To do this, you just need to click on Add New Item, type in your task, and then assign it to a specific team member. The reason we do this is to allocate responsibility and ensure that everyone knows exactly what they need to be doing. Now that we've done that, it's time to set deadlines. Just click on the calendar icon next to your task and select the due date. Setting deadlines is crucial because it gives everyone clear timeframes to work within and helps to prevent tasks from dragging on indefinitely. The fourth step is to use the Update section. This is where team members can leave comments, ask questions, and share files related to a particular task. To utilize this, click on the task and then on Update. This helps us because it keeps all task-related discussions in one place and makes it easy for everyone to stay informed. Lastly, let's look at how to leverage Monday.com's automation and integration features. Head to the Automate tab at the top of your board and select an automation that suits your needs. You can also integrate Monday.com with other tools your team uses, like Slack or Google Docs, by going to the Integrations tab. These features are instrumental in streamlining your team's workflow and reducing manual work. And there you have it. That's how to collaborate across teams in Monday.com. Remember, the key to successful collaboration is clear communication, defined responsibilities, and effective use of tools. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.